Science Update. Kilauea eruption shakes Hawaii with spectacular dual lava fountains. Hawaii's Kilauea volcano has once again demonstrated its fiery power, as two massive lava holes erupted simultaneously, sending fountains of molten rock radiating into the sky. The eruption, which began late last night, illuminated the island's southern skies, creating a dramatic and unsettling spectacle for residents and visitors alike. The U.S. Geological Survey, USGS, reported that the eruption originated from fissures within Kilauea's Halemaumau crater, marking yet another chapter in the volcano's long history of activity. The twin lava fountains soared to heights exceeding 200 feet, with streams of glowing lava cascading down the crater's flanks. The intense heat generated plumes of steam and volcanic gases that formed a dense cloud visible from miles away. Impact on local communities. Emergency services were immediately mobilized as the eruption intensified. While no injuries were reported, officials urged residents in nearby communities to remain vigilant. Volcanic ash and sulfur dioxide emissions posed potential health hazards, prompting the closure of local schools and the issuance of advisories for those with respiratory conditions.
In January, the values of sulfur dioxide emissions from Kilauea's summit caldera were higher than we'd seen them in over 20 years.
The sound was like thunder that wouldn't stop, said Lani Kalewa, a resident of Volcano Village, situated just a few miles from the eruption site. You could feel the ground tremble beneath your feet. It was both awe-inspiring and terrifying. Geological significance. Geologists noted that the twin lava holes represent a rare and dramatic feature of Kilauea's current eruptive phase.
Laser scanning of it.
The synchronization of the two lava fountains suggests heightened pressure within the volcano's magma chambers, which has been steadily building since the last eruption. Kilauea is one of the most dynamic and closely monitored volcanoes in the world, said Dr. Keone Mahela, a volcanologist with the USGS Hawaiian Volcano Observatory. This dual eruption showcases the incredible complexity of the volcano's plumbing system and serves as a reminder of its ever-present activity. Tourism and response efforts. Despite the risks, the eruption has drawn significant attention from tourists, with many flocking to observation points to witness the glowing fountains of lava. However, park officials have restricted access to certain areas within HAWAIʻI Volcanoes National Park to ensure public safety. Authorities continue to monitor the situation closely, as scientists warn of potential aftershocks and further activity in the coming days. For now, Kilauea's dual lava fountains serve as a stunning yet sobering testament to the power of nature.